where high-volume originators meet in the Centurion Roundtable interviews. Brought to you by Paramount Residential Mortgage Group.
In today's mortgage environment, providing our wholesale community with the best combination of product, pricing, technology, and service is paramount to their success. PRMG, built by originators for originators.
Hi, I'm Andrew Berman from the Mortgage News Network. You're watching the Centurion Roundtable interviews sponsored by our friends over at PRMG. Today we have Mark Favaloro, who is the principal and owner for Aamtrust Mortgage. Mark, thank you for taking the time out of the day to meet with us.
Thank you, Andrew. Appreciate the opportunity.
So listen, I have some questions I want to ask you. I like to ask a lot of the people that we have on this show, but before we do that, let me just put you on the spot, but you and I had a conversation. You actually pulled over while you're on your motorcycle to have this conversation with me the other day, and I really appreciate this, but you shared something with me that really, really touched my heart. Your drive, because you're not just running, one of the oldest and most respected mortgage brokers in New York State. You're a real estate agent, a real estate broker. You have a title insurance agency. You are also the president of the New York Association of Mortgage Brokers, one of the oldest associations, mortgage broker associations in the country. Share with us how you find the time to do this, and more importantly, the drive, what actually has you doing this and doing it every day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. every night.
Well, I can tell you that I'm not exactly sure what motivates me from minute to minute, but I can tell you just a good sense of duty imbued through family training. My father was an ex-Marine, an engineer, a taskmaster, so to speak.
Yeah.
And he taught us all at a very early age that idle time is not good. So I utilize all of my time whenever I can. And I do feel that the business that is given so much to me, which is the real estate business, the mortgage business, that it is incumbent upon me to give back to it whenever I possibly can. So in addition to the businesses that we have, the real estate business, the mortgage business, the title business, the real estate management business that we have, I have always involved myself in giving back in the form of, in this case, my presidency to the New York Association of Mortgage Brokers.
Fantastic. So listen, getting into this, I know you do a ton of business, but what do you do in your marketplace to kind of set yourself aside from all the other lenders out there? There's plenty of actually places your borrowers can go to do business with. Why are they coming to you guys?
Andrew, our borrowers come with us and stay with us because they like the education process that they go through when they get a mortgage with us. We teach them not only how to fill the blanks in on the form, but we teach them about the actual program. Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, USDA, VA. We give them the background on the program. We give them the unique differences between the program. We relate those differences to their personal circumstances and let them make an educated choice with our guidance as to what program, which lender, and what terms are best suited for them.
Very cool. So now how do you take that experience and let your referral partners know about this? Because I know, your business comes all from, your referral partners that you're doing business with, the real estate agent, financial advisors, attorneys, and also your past clients. So, how do you let them know actually of this value that you provide to them through the educational process that you offer?
Right. We, Andrew, we often speak to all of the real estate brokers, but we do this on a face-to-face, one-on-one type conversation. We do sit down with them and explain to them what exactly we do with the borrower for them. we also explain to them how we are going to be available to them morning, noon, night, holidays, and weekends.
Wow.
And nothing makes a real estate broker feel better than knowing that you work as many hours as they work and are willing to be there for them when they make that call.
Yeah. So listen now, this business has been good to you. You've had a lot of success in it, but I mean, you don't do this actually unless there's something you love about this business, more than there's the financial reward of it. What is that? Like, what is like your thrill of this business that you just get that big, huge grin on every time you experience that?
Well, I'm glad you asked that. Really, it serves two purposes for me. Not only do I absolutely love putting borrowers into homes and making sure they have the right loan product, but I enjoy working with the mathematics of the business tremendously. I love the fact that I can serve them and serve my own need to be in a business where I can put something complicated together and see it through to a finish.
That's fantastic. That's great. See, you educate, you help them actually get into that loan, you run the math, making sure that it's the great program for them, and you get that satisfaction out of it. So let me ask you this. If someone's watching this and they're not already doing business with you and they want to get a hold of you, what's the best way to do that?
Best way for them is to call me on my cell phone. I take cell phone calls from everybody all day, all night.
True story.
As I said before,
Yeah.
pretty much 24/7. I invite anyone to call my cell phone number to do business with me. If they call my office, they are often transferred right to my cell phone. If they call my office and I'm not there, and they are transferred to my desk phone, that will automatically go to my cell phone. So I can always be reached.
That's been and made evident by me calling you actually, I believe it was Thursday or Friday morning last week, while you were on your motorcycle and you pulled off actually to talk to me, and I appreciate that. Mark, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to meet with us.
Thank you very much, Andrew. Great to have the opportunity.
And I'm Andrew Berman with the Mortgage News Network. Thank you for watching.
PRMG continues to provide our wholesale partners across the nation with better technology, better product, better pricing, and better service. Our nationally recognized brand is more than just an image. It is a symbol of integrity. PRMG, built by originators for originators. Be sure to click on the link below for your free Centurion Roundtable white paper.
This is Mortgage News Network.